Okay, today we are going to be having a go at picking my very first actual commercial lock. So this is just a fairly standard lock you'd get from a hardware store. You can see it open and also close. Looking at the key, we can count the amount of divots. So I'll try and get it in focus. There we go. So we've got, and by looking at the divots, you know how many pins there are in the lock. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pins that we will be looking to bypass with our pick. Key over here, obviously. For this pick, we're going to be using our rake and just a standard tension bar. So we are going to insert the tension bar into the lock like so, and we're just putting a little bit of tension on the lock, so pushing it over ever so gently so that when we actually hit one of the pins and it goes into the right spot, it will stay there. Then we slide our rake into the lock, and then we are essentially just moving it up and down, trying to hit the various pins. And you can hear the pins going up and down.